This video explains how to install an optional 550 plus 100 sheet tray onto a Xerox C320 Color Printer. The Xerox C320 Color Printer can support only one optional tray, which is 550 plus 100 sheet tray. Tray 1 is the standard 250 sheet tray that comes with the printer. The optional 550 plus 100 sheet tray installs immediately under the printer as tray 2. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to power off the printer. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. Unbox the 550 plus 100 sheet tray and remove any packing materials. To prevent personal injury, 2 people must lift the printer. Lift and place the printer over the optional 550 plus 100 sheet tray. Plug in both ends of your power cord and power on the printer. For more information, refer to the Xerox C320 Color Printer User Guide.